this curve, this is the center. So draw a line passing through the center. So this will become the normal. Okay. So tangent is perpendicular to that one. Keep a protractor, use protractor and draw the perpendicular to the normal. It is a tangent. Okay. If you want to draw this side on this curve, okay, you can see the here inlet of a line AB, 2 centimeters. I think you are done in the last class, last Monday. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please all have to respond to me. It's not correct if I going on teaching without your response, without knowing whether you are there or not. Please respond everyone. If you don't understood, please ask me there itself. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
How many are not done? Just message here. How many of you are not done? Involutes till pentagon. I told in the last class you have to do till pentagon. Involute of a pentagon.
I did, ma'am.
Please share, post here in the chat box. How many of you are done? I will see later. Saying simply done means not like that. I will suddenly ask you to show in on present here. Okay. Now, look at the screen. Don't do it now. Please look it on the screen. This is the involute of a line AB. Involute of a line AB. I drawn line AB. Okay. Center A. Center as A. AB is as radius. We have to draw the curve of 180. Okay. Again, center B. Center as B. Where you have stopped the curve. From there, you have to start as a radius. That is CB as a radius. And you have to draw the one more curve in this direction. Okay. Now again, A as a radius. AB as A as a center, AB as a AD as a radius, draw one more curve. Okay. Now again B as a center, BE as a radius, draw one more curve. So this becomes the involute of a line AB. Okay. So you also draw, take AB length as 1 centimeter or 2 centimeters and draw like this. Now what about the normal and tangent? Suppose if you want to draw here normal and tangent on this curve, taking any point on this curve. Okay, I have taken point here. So for this curve, A is the center. So draw line passing through the center. From the center, draw one that will become the normal because this is the part of a circle, right? So part of a circle means it will be having one center point. So from center, draw one line. Okay, from center, draw one line and draw one tangent touching this curve. Okay. So if I want to draw here, similarly for this curve, this is the center. For this curve, this is the center. So from this center, I drawn the line. So that becomes the normal. Okay. Now perpendicular to that one is a tangent. So wherever, if you want to draw here also, on this, somewhere here. Suppose you want to draw here at this point, you want to show the normal tangent at this point. Okay. Then from me, for this curve, this is the radius. Point A is the radius. Then draw the line passing to this point wherever you are taken. Pass this point, draw the line like this. So that one is the normal and perpendicular to that line is a tangent. So similarly, if you want to draw on this curve somewhere, suppose I want to draw here. So for this curve, this is the center. B is the center for this curve. Okay. So draw the line from B, wherever you are taken, from B to wherever you are taken. So that will become the normal. Perpendicular to that line is the tangent. Okay. So here I have drawn twice, but don't draw twice. Just for explanation, I have drawn here twice. You show only one, wherever you want. Not exactly how I shown here. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear,
Yes,
all of
ma'am.
you?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Shall I
ma'am.
go to another? If anybody is having, please ask the doubts. Yes. Now we'll go to the involute of a triangle. Okay. Draw the triangle of 4 centimeters. You also draw the triangle of 4 centimeters. ABCD, ABC. Okay. Now, if the string is open tightly, when open tightly, then the end of the string, the locus of the end of the string will be in this way. The locus of the end of the string will be in this way. So we are opening that one. Okay. So first you draw the triangle. Okay. Now from here, you extend this line. You extend line CAC. I can say CA. CA. How much you have to extend if you take this one as a radius? This one as a center, AB as a radius. A as a center, AB as a radius. Then this length will be equal to length of AB or equal to length of one side of a triangle. Okay. So first you draw this line. First you draw the triangle, equilateral triangle. Then draw the or extend of one side. How much is the side? 4 centimeters. So extend 4 centimeters. Okay. Now similarly here also. Extend BC. Okay, BC, how much you have to extend? How much length you have to extend? Yes, please. How much you have to extend this one? Please respond.
Which one?
How much?
Which line, ma'am?
You are not listening or what? Okay. You extended CA 4 centimeters, right? Because when you have taken the A as a center, AB as a radius, so automatically this length also becomes the same radius. That is 4 centimeters. Similarly, if you want to extend BC, how much is how much you have to extend?
8.
8. So twice, because this is the center point. This is as a center. This has a radius. So this is the radius means what? 400 plus 400. So it became 800. So you have to extend line 800. Okay. Similarly, how much is this one? This length?
12.
Yes, 12, 4 times. So see, this has a center. C, sorry, B and this point as a radius. Okay. Then how much is length? That much you have to extend. So after drawing these 3 lines, this one, and this one. Okay. Now with compass, draw the curve of center as A, AB as a radius. Draw this curve like this. Okay. So similarly, C as a center, C and this point is a radius. Draw the curve. Okay, with compass. Similarly, B as a center, B this length as a radius. Okay, then draw this curve with compass and make it sure what is it we are doing now. What is the curve is called? What is the curve is called? What is this curve?
Involute.
Involute. So involute. This is the involute. So we are make it highlight this curve. Make it highlight this curve drawing with HB pencil. Okay. These all remaining lines should be light. So please highlight this one. This line, only this line. And similarly here also, how to draw the normal and tangent? Okay, for this curve, this is the center. So from this center, you choose any point. So draw that line. That will become the normal and perpendicular to that one is tangent. Similarly, I have shown here. So for this curve, this is the center. Okay. From center, take any point here, draw this line, and this will be the normal, and perpendicular to that one is tangent. Similarly, I drawn here also. So somewhere here I took a point, so join point P to B and extend here. So this will become the normal, and perpendicular to that one is the tangent. So in this way, you have to show the normal tangent. Of course, they will ask in Viva how to draw the normal tangent in involute. Involute of a triangle, involute of a line, involute of a square, involute of a all polygons. Okay. Now here in a square, say similarly here square also. Here you have to extend one length, one side. Once here you have to extend twice of the side. Here you have to extend thrice of the side. Here you have to extend 4 times of the side. Same, this is the radius, draw the curve. Again, this is the radius, draw the curve. And this is the, sorry, this is the center and this is the radius, draw the curve. This is the center, this is the radius and draw the curve. So this is the involute of a square. So same way here also, how to draw the normal tangent between this curve. This is the somewhere you have taken the point, join point to this center, then extend, that will be the normal, and perpendicular to that one is a tangent. Similarly here, if you want to draw here also, you can draw. Here also, please don't draw twice. I shown to explain. Only once you can draw it. Okay. Is it clear, all of you? Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Say yes or no. Okay. Now similarly here also, pentagon.
Ma'am.
Yes. For pentagon also. Okay. So draw the pentagonal of side 3 centimeters. You know how to draw the pentagonal? Regular pentagonal. Draw the regular pentagonal. I already explained the last class. Draw the regular pentagonal. And here you can see, extend this line of 1 centimeter, oh sorry, one side, that is 300. Okay. Now similarly extend this one also from here to here. How much you have to extend? Twice of the sides. That is 600 from here to here. And here also you have to extend how much length? Thrice. 5 times you have to extend. Sorry, 3 times you have to extend. 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. After drawing all these lines, then take this as a center. Draw the curve with compass, starting from here and ending here. And this is a radius. Draw the curve, and this is a radius. Draw the curve, and this is a radius. Draw the curve, and this is a radius. Draw the curve. Same. Okay. Now this is the involute of a regular pentagon. So after drawing this one, normal and tangent, how to draw the normal? Same as before, same as previous, how we had drawn. You have to draw the same way. Okay. So here I have shown only twice. Within this, I have taken the point P, join P to the center. For this curve, this is 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 the center. So wherever you want to take point on that curve and join to that particular center and extend, that will become the normal, and perpendicular to that one is a tangent. So this is the involute of a pentagon. Involute of a pentagon. Okay. Now here you have to concentrate here. Please, all of you, look at here. Just don't hold anything in your hand. Please look at on the screen. "45". Yes, please. This is involute of a circle. Please write down here involute of a circle. Take radius as 2.5 centimeter. Take radius as 2.5 centimeter. Please note it down. take radius as 2.5 centimeter. This is the center. This is the radius. From this radius, from this point, it is touching one point on the floor, let us say. Okay, from this point, draw this length, draw the line. How much length you have to draw? When we are unwounding the wire and unwounding the string, how much?
Length of the circumference of circle?
Yes. You have to find, what are you asking? How? Yes, ma'am. What are you asking? How? This length is nothing but circumference of a circle. So how to calculate the circumference of circle?
2 pi r.
Yes, 2 pi r or pi d. So here I taken r is 2.5 centimeters. Then I calculated pi d to pi d. Then I got the length. So that much length you have to something you got 15.7, right? Please, all of you respond me.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So 15.7 centimeters I got. Okay. If you take radius as or diameter as 5 centimeters, then I had drawn this one. Then here also you make it 12 parts by drawing 30 centimeters. 12 parts like this. Okay. So you can do like this also, extend these lines, or you are having 30. Okay. So 12 parts, 30. So divide, taking 12 parts, taking 30 angle. Okay. This is 30. And draw, make it mark here and extend this one. And for this one, this is 60. Okay. Draw and extend. So for this is 90. So again here it is 120. Extend. And this is 150. Extend. That's all. You will get all points. Okay. Now here. So this is 15.7. So we cannot divide with scale into 12 parts. This line, this length. So we have to go in this method, dividing a line into a number of equal parts. So what I did from here, I had drawn the 12 centimeters because we want to divide into 12 centimeters. Okay. So here also divided. So you take 1 centimeter this one. So 12 centimeters. Please mark at 1 centimeter. Okay. Now draw this joining end points. Draw a line joining end points like this. Draw a line joining two end points. Okay. Now draw a line parallel to this line. Draw a line passing to these points and should be parallel to this line. Okay. So here I'll draw the parallel lines. So what you do is please use the roller. Use the roller. Keep roller parallel to exact this one. Just move roller this side. Okay. Move this side. And when the roller comes at here, please keep a pencil point here and just draw the line here. Keeping the roller. Use the roller and draw the line. So here what I do is just I will copy all the lines. So here I will copy. Then later on I will trim the extra lines. And please install AutoCAD in your laptops or systems wherever you are having as soon as possible, because after 2-3 classes we are going to start actual AutoCAD. Okay. So now I drawn the parallel lines. I want to delete all. So for deleting, I want to trim extra length. I want to trim. So using trim command, select all means I will select all like this. Then I want to trim this way. Okay. So instead now I removed at the lines. Then I want to use the erase. Then I want to use erase. Then I will remove all this. Okay, done. Now it is clear, all of you. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now here I'll later I'll text these points. So you please write down here. Otherwise I will do it. So I want to make it a little smaller, 20 size. Enter 0. Okay, so this one is 1 I will take. No, this one is 1. No, sorry, this one I will take as 1. 1. This is 2. This is 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. And this is of course 12. This here I will show as 12 is nothing but as P also you can P is nothing but the point at the end of the string. P is nothing but point at the end of the string. So here also I will as not a point. Here 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash, and 12 dash. Okay. Clear now? After here. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear up here? Okay. Now here, there is a string around this circular plate. Let us say this as a circular. There is this. So I want to open from P. So from here, if I want to open this, there is a string. So from till here, it will come in this way, right? This length. So how much is this length? If I draw, if I open tightly, So this length will become equal to one length, one curve, one side of this one. And